Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can draw in Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to go to this editor, and then here at the left sidebar you'll be able to see numerous options. So you can either go to apps and search for draw, but Canva does have a built-in tool section as well. You can click on tools and click on draw over here. Select your pen type, whether you want a pen, you want marker, or you want highlighter. You can simply select any of these, change color to, let's say, black. You can also change the weight of it in order to make it bolder, and change transparency as well. And then you can continue to draw on this canvas. Alternatively, if you want some more highlighting options, you can go to apps and search for draw over here in order to have a broad range of pens. So you can search for any of these apps and choose the one that best goes with what you are looking for, and then you can enjoy drawing on this canvas. So that's basically how you can draw on Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.